Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. We're back on the IBEX 450 build. This thing is coming along right here, but I am excited about what I'm gonna unbox for you today. All of this kind of stuff, this is from CFMOTO. This is all the engine guards. I have no idea what they look like or anything like that. Can't do it. All right. This is engine case guards. We got some instructions there. This is gonna just provide us some extra protection there for the engine cases. Got the CFMOTO logo on there and writing. As you can see, got all the hardware inside. Looks like it got shucked up a little bit in freight. That's not what I'm excited about. These pieces though, this is where the excitement kicks in. Don't worry, we'll be sure to post up in the description below the part numbers that we're dealing with here. But this is the lower engine guards, okay? Let's see what we got. We got our instructions. Feels really, really good quality. Don't worry, we'll get these installed, show you everything about it. My guess is it's gonna be a very simple install. We've got some spacers. We're probably gonna reuse some hardware. No, we got all new hardware here to get those mounted up. Prediction on that installation, less than 5 minutes on this setup here. So looks good, powder coat's good, nice durable. I haven't tipped it over yet, so I don't know what it'll be like in the event of a tip over. And then lastly, when it comes to the protection, they're calling this the engine guard upper. So let's check it out. So as you guys see with the adventure bike category, you see a lot of this type of stuff going on the bike. At some point, it's not a matter of if, it's when you're gonna lay the bike down, unless you're just putting around on the road or some light trails. But if you're gonna get out, you will tip it over, and this type of product is gonna hold up very, very well. We think, they claim, to that situation. I don't know, there you have it. We'll get all the orientation figured out, kind of let you know where the protection goes. Same piece, other side here. 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. These are the official CFMOTO guards. I appreciate my assistant over here. He is doing a mighty fine job with the mic. Couple things, look around. We are getting loaded up with accessories. More and more stuff's coming every day. We're gonna do some more unboxing videos. We've got a whole nother box. Now he's breaking stuff. Let's see, did he already scratch it? Yes, he already scratched it. But we've got a whole nother table of stuff over here. We're gonna get this installed and bring you guys along for the adventure. Hit us up, everything CFMOTO. A lot of the products that we're posting up right now are from CFMOTO. We do believe in their products. They do make great stuff, and we're gonna put it to the test this season. 435-427-3338. Have a great day, everybody.